review on the Coastal px1 flashlight. It says this is some of the things about it. It has two modes, high and low. A focus button, focusing. So this is for like really close ranges when it's like more towards this flood beam, and then when you are, this is like a basically like a spot one when you do this for like longer ranges. I would show them. Very well made flashlight. For some reason my camera light is on. Phone. Runs on 3 AA's. Triple A's. Put in there. A total of 315 looms of light. And really good distance on both ways. Why don't they have feet conversion here? But it's around 400 feet. I think. 300. Maybe, I don't know for sure. Don't remember. I didn't memorize conversion runs. Single LED. Yeah. Gonna show you a demonstration of it inside. In the dark. Here's how powerful it is. Right now it's completely dark. You cannot even see it. This is on low mode. Pretty bright. That's on everyday mode. Flood mode. This is on super bright. Lights up the entire room. Just from this. My phone's light is not even on. Can I show my face? Okay. See? It's off. Otherwise, we get a good flashlight, paid $20 on sale on Home Depot.